The Xiuguluan River originates in Taiwan's Central Range and heads north along the East Rift Valley. It turns east in Ruishui Township and then cuts through the coastal range before flowing into the Pacific Ocean. The river is about 104 kilometers long, and the 24-kilometer section between Ruishui Township and Changhong Bridge is suitable for rafting. This section takes between 3 and 4 hours to raft, and with many rapids and fast-flowing areas along the way. The rafting area also passes through a magnificent gorge with fascinating rock formations, making it one of the most popular destinations in Taiwan for whitewater rafting. The peak rafting season is from April to October. Most rafting trips set out from between 7 a.m. to noon, though afternoon starts are permitted up to 3 p.m.